Are you ready to dominate the real estate investing game and skyrocket your success in 2024? Well, unlock the secrets to real estate investing. And it is all about having the right connections, building strong relationships with awesome investors, and tapping into experts who are going to show you how you can invest and be successful in your real estate investing. And we have over 40 expert real estate investors who are ready to share with you the winning strategies to be successful in your real estate investing. Skip the trial and error and jump straight into generational wealth and fast track your amazing success, because you're going to be around the right people, building up connections and having the experts showing you how to do it. The Real Estate Wealth Builders Conference is not just an event, it's actually an experience as well as a community of like-minded real estate investors. We have over 40 plus expert real estate investors who are going to be showing you how to invest in real estate. We're going to have hundreds, if not thousands, of like-minded real estate investors for you to connect with so that you can grow your network and get access to market insights into what experts are doing today and how they are making loads and loads of money by investing in real estate the right way. It's all happening March 14th through the 16th in 2024, and we are here to help you to invest in real estate. We have an exclusive offer for you. Get 10% off of your pass to the Real Estate Wealth Builders Conference. Use the promo code WEALTH10, WEALTH10. Use that promo code, will give you 10% off of your pass to get around hundreds and hundreds of like-minded real estate investors and over 40 plus expert speakers who are going to show you how to invest successfully in real estate. So click the Learn More button and secure your ticket to success in real estate investing right now.